creative, guys.
You can make some basic tools do some pretty complex jobs. And remember, if you have any cat questions, just visit the Sky Shower channel.
Sorry guys, it's going dark, but I'm in my room. It's pretty dark. Got it. So, I'm gonna take you guys outside and take a look. Whoa, that's pretty bad. Guys, I don't know, but in the morning, on the news today said that we're supposed to be having a tornado watch. So my neighbors are over there in their house right now. Other neighbors are over there. Here's my dog. Hey Trixie. This is my loving dog right here. So guys, in case y'all didn't, oh yeah, y'all do, but I have 3 dogs. This is my Trixie, Sarah, and Brownie. My other one, Brownie is a small dog, but this is she. I don't know why I named her Brownie, but cause I don't know why though. But there's Sarah. Sorry. Just punched it in. Oh, guys. Sorry. My camera. Did it. Got it. So, guys, this is my backyard. I have a bigger backyard. It's my backyard's all the way over there. Okay, this is my house. This is where I live. But that's where I think the tornado is coming. I don't know. It's probably coming, I don't know, but to give y'all a warning if you're watching this video live. So I'm live streaming right now. I'm gonna make it. Yeah, it's bad. Look at over there. Trees are moving. Well, the leaves are moving. There's a flashing thing over there. I don't know what it is, but I'm sure y'all can see it. Yeah, y'all can see it, I think. Oh no, it's starting to rain, guys. It's starting to rain. Oh no. Well, let's step right here. Okay, it's starting to rain now. Yup, I think there's gonna be a storm. There's my house, and guys, oh no, it's bad, guys. Guys, this is kind of bad. I think there is gonna be a tornado, probably a tornado sound. So probably tornado warning, probably tornado watch right now, probably, I think. But that's what they said on the news in the morning when I left to school in the morning. Oh no, it's starting to sprinkle. Look up in the sky, guys. It's bad, pretty bad, guys. Oh, the lights. Guys, it's pretty bad up there, over there. Guys, I'm not joking. It's just, my camera looks like it's light, but it's not. It's not, guys. From me, you'll see it's dark, but it's not bright. Let's go inside. Hey, Theo. Sorry, Ben. Sorry. Wow. So there it is, guys. A car coming by. I don't know who that is, so but still it looks bad. Oh no. Birdhouse. It's bad, guys. Yeah. In case just I'll make a Call of Duty video. Call of Duty if I can get it clean. Leave a comment down below and leave a like if you want me to play Call of Duty 3 anyways. But I gotta get it clean. It's starting to rain. I'm out here with shoes, guys. It's bad. There's my big house. It's so big, guys. It's big. From the back, it looks really cool. It's pretty big. This looks like, I don't know how to say it. Looks like a mansion. Yeah, probably. But look, it's bad. My video's all the way to 6:11. That's how much minutes I've been recording, guys. That's bad. It's my neighbor's house over there. They have a 2-story house. That's what they say if they have stairs or ladders or no, just stairs. That's what they say on YouTube channels, or some people say two layers. Our house is two layers. Not layers, but I don't know how tall their house is. It's really bad up in the sky. My tablet's wet. Look over there. Looks bad from here. Guys, I think there's gonna be a storm. From here, it looks like there's water coming, like, phew. And, boom. But there's nothing over there, man. This is bad. Clouds are moving. It's raining now. Uh-oh, it's raining. It's raining really hard now. Not hard, but it's raining. It's starting to rain. Catching with some rain. Man, so much. Just like can't believe. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry, man. Okay. Sorry that I put my hand in the way, but look at the ground. It's getting wet now. Rain. Oh. Okay, just to say, guys, it looks pretty bad out here. I think I'm gonna be going inside. It looks pretty bad, guys. I gotta go. Bye. See you later. Just gonna get a quick say hello to my uncle.
Eventually, I somehow overcharged my system. Now I was online on YouTube and came across this young man who said he used a towel and a nail that he had cut off and made it flat. Now this valve right here for your AC is just like on a tire valve.
So guys, I'm gonna show you quick gun of my brother's. My brother Dylan, he bought this from Walmart. I think he did, but I wasn't with him when he went to go get it. It's pretty. This can cost death. So this thing isn't nothing to play around with. It's nothing to play around. There's the barrel. It's nothing to play around. I don't know how much this costs, but yeah, probably this costs. This probably costs like a lot. So guys, here it is. It's probably around like, but I don't know when to go get this. Plus my John Cena posters right there. But John Cena's the best one. There's a poster or a picture of him. But this is my brother's, guys. I'll go show you mine. I'll be right back.
Just be careful.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today we're going to flush the floor on the 2000 BMW 40i. Go through all the steps to get all the old coolant out and flush the whole cooling system, and then put brand new anti-freeze by removing all the coolant from the system.
Sorry, the gun fell.
The coolant from the
But
system,
here's mine
what you wanna
anyways.
do is you wanna make sure that it is cold. You don't
Sure.
wanna touch a hot cooling system. The cooling system is pressurized. If you're under any caps or you're losing any hoses,
For some
you got
reason
hot
it's like
coolant shooting
stuck
out
at
of
the
you.
bottom.
That's never good.
I'm gonna-
You wanna make sure the coolant temperature is in the blue area or
Oh,
below.
yeah, that's
So
pretty
now
good.
we'll go under the car and look for the radiator head top, which is the drain.
Sorry, I
pump.
noticed.
So if
Here's
you
mine.
look under the radiator, there's the other corner.
So,
In this
I'm gonna
case,
show you one more
it's
time
on the
outside.
driver's side
I want
corner.
to.
The head
I'm gonna
tops are
show you
always
outside.
located in the corner of the
Pause.
radiator. And this blue thing right here is what needs to get
Pause
unscrewed,
this time.
and the coolant will drain out of that. The next step is
So,
to
yeah, sorry for the thing.
disposable.
Guys, do y'all see that over there? There's like yellow over there.